What are you doing? Come here! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be unboxing a dynamic mic, a Shure 55 to be specific, and I cannot wait because I have been waiting for this mic in my life for the longest time. You guys don't already know, I'm here in Nashville and I sing jazz. I'm in a country production right now, but I have been waiting so long to make this purchase. And this is sponsored by none other than the Queen herself, because she bought this microphone for me. My grandmother, she's so sweet and she knew how important this was to me. So special shout out to Miss Grandma today. Alright, well, Luna is sitting on my receipt, so hopefully I don't need it for anything. So today we're going to be unboxing the Shure 55 dynamic microphone, the die-cast mic stand, and of course an XLR. I received this as a package deal. All in all, I think it was... Don't sit on my stuff, and maybe... Jeez. Look at this paper. Can you see the holes in it? Can you see the holes? Yeah, that's Luna. That's her work. She's real proud. Okay, so all in all, with tax, everything included, this package was $217. You can buy the Shure 55 on the Shure website for $179 plus tax, and then plus shipping. Whereas if you buy it through Guitar Center, you get the whole shebang for $199, and then of course tax is not included. So it comes out to $217, $41, but you get the XLR and the mic stand. It's worth it. You see her? You see what I put up with? I know you want to get in there, Luna, so I guess we should just cut it open. Alright, so I'm just going to open this puppy up with my heavy-duty purple scissors. You know, we like to be official around these parts. Ooh, so exciting. Luna wants to get inside already. She's fully a part of this unboxing. Alright, so when you first open it up, this is what's inside. No, Luna, you're not allowed. Ooh. So there's obviously some stuffing and whatnot. So I'm just going to dig in. If you could see her face, she's like... Alright, so of course... we have the die-cast mic stand in black. We have the mic pole. What's the official term for this? I don't know. We have the mic, the actual stand, I guess. Alright, the XLR, which is not wrapped any fancy way. I'm kind of surprised because you would think that it would be. I mean, you can get these fairly cheap, but oh well. I still needed a new one anyway, so I'm not complaining. And then return label and receipt if anything's wrong or missing or anything like that, which everything looks to be here. And then of course, the moment of truth. The 55. Why you gotta steal my thunder? Alright, so we are going to be unboxing this beautiful Shure 55 iconic UNIDYNE vocal microphone. This is best for acoustic and live performances. Speaking of performances, why? What? Why? Okay, well. And it comes in this case, as you can see, it just sort of slides out. Boop. And then you have this beautiful white packaging. I say beautiful, it's just cardboard, which is good. We like cardboard. Better than plastic. Plastic's unnecessary. So, of course, the flap opens up like this. And inside, you have the microphone. She's really distracting, isn't she? Can we not and say that we did? And inside, you have the mic. so let's see what's inside. Of course, it comes with the 55SH2 user guide, and it's in a bunch of languages that I don't know. I don't even know English, really, if we're being honest. Oh my gosh, how cool. Cool, right? So it goes over all the mechanics of the inside of the mic and how it works and all that stuff. Not a tech person. If you want some tech reviews, I'll leave some down below. This is more like a girl who's excited review. So there you go. We got some other stuff in here. There's a warranty. It comes with all the sort of legal mumbo jumbo. Gotta throw that in there. The yellow paper. This is important because, you know, it's yellow. So anyway, let's get to the fun part. Guys, I can't even tell you how long I've been waiting for this. Like, for so long. Can't wait. So this is what she looks like. Wow. Oh my goodness. Just look how freaking beautiful that is. Oh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. So as you can see, the Shure 55SH Series 2, off, on, you know, you need the off and the on because you can't sing if it's off. I mean, you can, but no one will hear you, so. And of course it swivels like the announcer. But yeah, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to test it out and see how it sounds. So the bottom here, of course, screws into the mic stand, and then you have your XLR adapter in here in the bottom. Alright, so it says 55SH Series 2 iconic UNIDYNE vocal microphone. If you want to capture a classic look, you need the gear to match the genre. Nothing completes the style quite like the 55SH Series 2, a microphone that has been gripped by legends for decades. Now it's gonna be gripped by a mediocre girl. No, I'm just kidding. I cannot wait to use this, guys. I will literally never put this down. This will be gripped by me forever and always. Okay, it says, others may imitate, but none can duplicate the form and function standards Shure has held from our first UNIDYNE mic to our latest. So let's see how it works. Built on the hardware of our seminal UNIDYNE 55 microphone, the look of the 55SH Series 2 transports you to a classic era. That is the vibe I'm going for. If you guys know, you've heard me talk about it. Pull jazz, easy listening, lounge, like eat your expensive steaks, listen to me, don't listen to me, I don't care. Like, I just want to sing and look cute while doing it. Yeah. That's it. That's it. That's the ticket. Is that my new tagline? Did we just come up with that right here? Oh my gosh. Okay, whether you recreate the broadcasting golden age or sing with the hip-swinging swagger of the birth of rock and roll, this is the mic that makes the scene. So let's read why it's better. A standout on any stage. The cardioid directional pattern captures the exact sound you want regardless of acoustic environment. So it's perfect for live performance in a variety of venues. That's really important. You guys know cardioid is when you're facing it and it captures this sound as opposed to all of this sound. So if you guys didn't know, there are 3 different types of mics. There is the cardioid, there is the omni, and the bidirectional. So the cardioid obviously is going to come through one direction, so people use it for isolating instruments, stuff like that. Bidirectional is like if you got drums and you need like, you know, you got 2 directions, bidirectional. And then omni means it's going to pick up a lot, so it's going to pick up the sounds around it. People use that for podcasting if they're going from one mic, so it's helpful in that regard. But in terms of vocals, like, you really want to stick with the cardioid because it's really going to isolate everything coming out your mouth, you know? So let's read a little bit more about why it's better. The cardioid directional pattern captures the exact sound you want regardless of acoustic environment, so it's perfect for live performance and at a variety of venues. That's important. This is all from the Shure website. You guys can click it. I will link it down here as well, just so you know. So inside the Shure 55, there is a shock-mounted cartridge that actually helps diminish the sound of like excess noise. So if you are Italian like me, as you can tell, and if you're just moving and swinging while you sing, it's really going to help diminish all those sounds that you don't want and really just focus on your vocals. So it's really cool to have for live performances. All right, now this baby says it's stage proof, that it can be dropped, it can be thrown from large buildings. Just kidding, it doesn't say that, but if it's me, it might need it. It says microphones get dropped, tossed, and knocked around. We know, we've been making them for nearly a century. Great company, obviously. You guys, if you're singers or performers, you guys know about Shure. So this has a rugged die casting, which is really protective for the components inside, and it's gonna have great sound for a long time. All right, well, as you guys know, if you've got a mic, you need a mic stand and you need an XLR because people have to be able to hear you. That's like kind of important. So we're gonna get that hooked up and rolling, and then maybe you guys can see how it sounds. All right, so we're just gonna break into this thing from Musician's Gear. It's a nice mic stand. I quite enjoy this. It comes with a little cord clip so you won't be moving and shaking. Or if you are moving and shaking, your cord's staying with you, which is good. Alright, so as you can see, the bottom of the mic stand comes in this box. I'm really going to try to not drop it on my computer because that would be bad. Dropping the scissors and pulling out the stand. Pretty standard. Get it? Alright, so as you can see, it's a die cast bottom, really good quality. This is going to be wonderful because I tend to move around a lot. Alright, so we've got the bottom, which screws right in. Spinny, spinny, spinny. Man, there's so much more to go. Uh-oh, I'm feeling like we're getting close. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do, pig, that'll do. It's in there pretty tight. Threads are almost flush with the bottom. I almost scraped the popcorn off my ceiling. Who does popcorn ceilings in here? Was that another baby boomer decision? Because, you know, everyone picks on millennials, but like the linoleum floors over wood floors? Who did that? And popcorn ceilings? Can somebody tell me the origination of that? Because gross. What this looks like up close on the bottom. Of course, you've got the name of the mic, you have your on-off switch, and that's pretty much it. Riveting. Satisfying click in there. You can change it. This is adjustable to a bunch of different directions, whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm gonna stop being weird now. At least I'm gonna try, and there's no promises. And then, of course, you have the XLR, which you need for people to hear you. That's important. Fun as wine. Look at that. Clickety clackety click. Check 1, 2, mic check. Check, check. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear it, but let's just find out. Oh, it's so exciting. I freaking love this thing. Check 1, 2, check, check, check. Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Rose. Now move it out. Okay, I have to stop. Goodbye. Whew, I got scared for a second. I got real scared. She's so mad. She's so mad. I'm scared. I'm scared. And you guys, I wish I could explain to you the happiness that courses through my veins at this current moment. Alright, so this little pedal piece comes off. That would have been good to know beforehand. Bye! She's like, okay, I'm over that. Because of this thing. Trials and tribulations, my friends.